All right, guys, we're doing something a little different this week. We are in Chicago, Illinois, just about northwest of downtown, west side of the city, on the corner of Palmer and Tripp. And this is the birthplace of Walt Disney. It's currently under restoration and is not open up here. It's eventually going to be the Center for Early Childhood Creativity and Innovation, which is really cool. You can read more about it, and I'll put the link in the description below at the WaltDisneyBirthplace.org. But yeah, this is where he was born. Walt lived here until he was 4 years old. Roy was here until he was 12, and all the kids were born here. Then they moved to, obviously, Marceline, Missouri. He didn't spend a ton of time here. He was actually born up there in the second story. Actually, his mother gave birth here in this building. So, and it looks like they have a bunch of bricks. Looks like they were probably taking donations at one point in time. You can't go in right now. If you go to their website, there is a contact for media. So if you really were desperate, you could probably talk to somebody and maybe get in. But I didn't want to bother anybody. It was slated to open in December of 2016, which so they're behind. I believe you can go to their website and you can donate, and they do have a blog and all that stuff that you can keep up with. So check it out, and I hope it's open next time that we come here, because I mean, obviously we all love Walt. Roy was here too. I personally am a big fan of Roy. Disney World wouldn't have happened, or Magic Kingdom more or less really wouldn't have happened without Roy. He was there. I mean, everything. Roy was like the perfect balance to everything that Walt did. But yeah, there's just so much here. The back of the house doesn't have much. There is a garage out here. See what's happening, but their goal is to, at least for the second story, restore it to its original, I guess, the way that it was originally built and would have looked when Walt was still here. Yeah, so there's not much to actually do here right now, but it's really awesome that this exists. If you can, check out their website, the WaltDisneyBirthplace.org. Hopefully this opens, and if you're in Chicago, come see it. Even if you just come walk by like we did, check it out. It's pretty amazing that this is still here. It was privately owned for a long time, and now the folks who own it now are gonna open it, like I said, as the Children Innovation Center, which is just really awesome. It looks great. I can't wait for it to actually open. Thanks for watching this week. And it's the first time we've been here. We lived in Chicago for years and never came over here. It wasn't until Adam the Woo and Justin Scard, when they were in Chicago, came here, that I was like, yep, I know exactly where that is. I need to go see it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.